My name is Albergo. This is my wife, Setia. Before I discover Klaas, I'm thinking to DIY the interior of my house myself, looking for contractors, then discuss with them, get it done with the contractors. Possible we can save 1,000 ringgit instead of getting interior designer. But when I visited my friend's house and I found that we are actually very impressed with their design. So then we get the interior designer from our friends. Then that is how we met up with Leslie. Then we go through with the Klaas design and build. My wife and me are actually very impressed with the portfolio from the Klaas and also how Leslie worked with us and throughout the entire process. So with the transparency of the Leslie, so we believe that actually we found the right person to work with.
Process is quite smooth. After 3 to 4 months like that, then it's done.
Unfortunately, our renovation period is forced during the peak of the COVID. We forced into the MCO period. We are very happy that with the professionalism of the Klaas team, so they reassure us that they are always on standby mode. This is outside of my house. It is gated and guarded unit. Then equipped with the automatic gate. We have a left and right side. We have some mini gardens. And also there's a small fish pond. This is my son's room. It's specially requested by my son for the bunk bed and also with the sliding. It's very impressive that Klaas designed for us. This is our master bedroom. Direct access to the big balcony outside, and also designed for my wife the walk-in closet. For this house, we like the most is the dining area because it gives us the feel of home and welcoming back, especially when I coming back from outside. So I see my family members put on smile on their face. So and also we feel very comfortable. It's like a picture that lasts forever. So far, I'm very impressed with Klaas professionalism and their projects and also their design. So definitely I will recommend others to try them out.
Out of 10, how would you rate that?
10.